Watch how I can play the chords to Old Dan Tucker. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker, you're too late to catch your supper. Supper's over, breakfast cooking, old Dan Tucker just stands there looking. This song starts on a G chord. I make the G chord by taking my index finger and my middle finger, and they share a fret. They both go in the second fret. One on the third string and one on the first string. I skip over that second string. Why do I skip over that second string? Because I'm going to use it with my ring finger. My ring finger is going to come and plop down right in the middle on the third fret to get a G chord. This is a tricky one because you've got to make sure that your thumb is really on the back of the ukulele, your wrist is out, and you're curling your fingers so you're just using the tip of your finger on each string so that you can keep your fingers out of each other's way. From G, I go to a C chord, which is a nice and easy chord. I just take my ring finger, I plop it down on the first string on the third fret, and I pick my other two up. From here, I'm going to play a D7 chord. And in order to play a D7 chord, I'm going to leave my ring finger right where it is on that third fret of the first string. But I'm going to put my index and middle finger down both on the second fret on the third and second string. Sounds like that. Then, to get back to G, watch what I can do. I can leave my index finger right where it is, and I can do a little switcheroo with my ring finger and middle finger. My middle finger is going to go down to the first string, and my ring finger is going to go up to the second. Watch that switch from D7 to G. Switcheroo, G. Let's try it nice and slow. Starts on a G chord. 1, 2, here we go. Get out the way, old Dan Tucker, you're too late to catch your supper. Supper's over, breakfast cooking, old Dan Tucker just stands there looking. Give that a try. If that's a little too fast for you, pause the video, re-watch it, or maybe even slow the speed down and see if you keep up then. Good luck and have fun.